Welcome to OneLumi, your smart lighting companion for Windows 11. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add devices, organize them into rooms, customize your lights, and use the OneLumi widget to control everything right from your desktop. First, let's add your smart lights. Click the Add Device button in the top right corner. The OneLumi app will scan for available devices on your network. Select the devices you want to add, then click Add. Your lights will now appear in your dashboard and are ready to control. Before we organize our lights into rooms, let's add a few more devices. Click Add Device again, wait for the scan to complete, and select the additional devices you want to add. Then click Add. Now that we have multiple lights available, we can organize them more easily. Now, let's create a room. Click Add Group. Give your room a name, like Living Room or Bedroom. Select which devices belong in that room and click Close. You can also quickly adjust brightness and color temperature here to fine-tune the atmosphere in each room. You can also mark your most used devices as favorites. Simply toggle the favorite switch on any device. Once enabled, that device will automatically appear in the Favorites tab, giving you faster access to the lights you use most often. Now that your devices and rooms are set up, let's take a look at the OneLumi widget and how you can control your lights directly from Windows 11. To add the OneLumi widget, click the widgets icon in the bottom left corner of your Windows 11 taskbar to open the widgets panel. Then click the plus button to add widgets. Search for OneLumi and select it to add it to your panel. Once the widget is added, you can customize the dashboard layout. Switch between different styles, such as tile view or list view, depending on how you prefer to see your devices and rooms. From the widget, you have full control of your lights. You can turn lights on or off, adjust brightness, change colors, and even fine-tune the color temperature, all without opening the app. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy OneLumi and bring your Windows 11 desktop to life. Add devices, organize rooms, customize colors, and control everything with the widget. Thanks for watching, and have fun lighting up your home with OneLumi.